Satalism test. Satalism test mainly used for identification of Haemophilus influenza. Haemophilus influenza are fastidious organism. They record factor X and factor V. Factor X means hemine. Factor V means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD for their growth. So Haemophilus influenza are fastidious organism. They record hemine and NAD for their growth. Hemine means factor X. NAD means factor 5. In chocolate agar present both X and V factor, but blood agar only present in hemine, so incapable to grow in Haemophilus influenza. Chocolate agar only having both X and V factor, hemine and NAD. But blood agar only presented hemine, that means factor X only. So incapable to grow in Haemophilus influenza. But Staph aureus, Staphylococcus aureus can produce NAD in blood agar medium. So in the blood agar, Haemophilus influenza will grow nearly to the colony of Staph aureus. Staph aureus can produce NAD in blood agar medium. So blood agar in Haemophilus influenza will grow near to the colony of Staph aureus. Haemophilus influenza need hemine and NAD, that means factor X and V factor. Chocolate agar have both, but blood agar don't have. But Staph aureus can produce NAD in blood agar. Haemophilus grow near to the colony of Staph aureus. This set of tests used for identification of Haemophilus influenza is called as Satalism test. So this kind of test used for identification of Haemophilus influenza, this kind of test name is called as Satalism. Why Haemophilus influenza need X and V factor? Haemophilus influenza uses hemine factor X to produce the essential respiratory enzymes such as cytochromes. The cytochrome mainly used for electron transport chain catalysis and peroxidase, whereas NAD factor 5 used as an electron carrier. Why Haemophilus influenza need factor X and V? To produce the essential respiratory enzyme such as cytochrome, catalase, peroxidase. This one used for electron carrier. In the organism oxidation reduction system, so both X and V factor essential for Haemophilus influenza. What are the procedure for Satalism test? What are the procedure? Mix a low full of suspected colony of Haemophilus influenza in about 2 ml of peptone water. Using sterile swab, inoculated that organism suspensions on a blood of nutrient agar and blood agar. Streak a pure culture of Staph aureus perpendicularly each of inoculated blood. Incubate both plate in a carbon dioxide enriched atmosphere at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. Examine the culture plate for growth and satellite colonies. Then what are the procedure? Mix a low full of suspected colony of Haemophilus influenza in 2 ml of peptone water. We take Haemophilus influenza low full colony to add it to the peptone water using sterile swab inoculated organism suspensions on the blood agar and nutrient agar. Stick the pure culture of Staph aureus in perpendicularly. Then incubated that plate in carbon dioxide enriched atmosphere at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. Examine culture plate for their growth and satellite colonies. Observation and result. Growth is seen in blood agar but not in nutrient agar because blood agar having both X and V factor. Nutrient agar don't have any X and V factor, so can't able to produce these colonies. If satellite colonies are presented in both and nutrient agar and blood agar, means this organism probably a Haemophilus species that required only factor 5 such as Haemophilus parainfluenza. Result interpretation. Growth seen only blood agar medium because it have both X and V factor but not in nutrient agar. Suppose organism presented in both colony means factor 5 only need, such colonies are Haemophilus influenza. So now we discussed that satellism test used for Haemophilus influenza. Haemophilus need a hemine and NAD, that means factor X and V. Here we are using blood agar medium. Staph aureus can produce the NAD in blood agar medium. So Haemophilus influenza will grow near to the colony of Staph aureus. Why need? Because of essential respiratory enzymes such as cytochrome used for electron transport chain catalyze peroxidase, whereas NAD factor 5 used for electron carrier. So procedure, we will take low full of Haemophilus influenza colony in peptone water, then we swab that nutrient agar and blood agar, then stick a pure culture of Staph aureus perpendicularly, then incubated 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. After that we will observe that result. Blood agar having growth, nutrient agar don't have growth because blood agar having both X and V factor. Suppose both plate having organism presented means factor 5 only need, that organism are Haemophilus influenzae.